when I got into whole food plant-based lifestyle, the first thing which I started was a smoothie. Smoothie because we need to detox our body every single day. We need to clean our body, and smoothies act as a broom because it starts cleaning our arteries, and that's very, very important that we need to start to understand what are the needs of our body. More than the body, I think it's more about what our organs need, because if our organs are fit, if our organs are getting all the nutrients and fibers and protein and calcium and all the multivitamins, the life of the organ increases. And if we don't take care, they work too hard and they grow old faster. When they grow old faster, we feel lethargic, we feel tired, our immunity goes lower, and we even die in a very unhealthy way. We all have to go, but we have to go very fit. So for that, we need to start having a glass of smoothie every single day. Let's get started. I will start with one most important ingredient, that is bananas. So if you just see the bananas, and if you see that they are black, the skin was also black, don't throw them away. Keep them in the kitchen or peel them up and keep it into your freezer if you have a lot of them. The more black it is, the more tastier the smoothie will be. And do you know why? Because it gets more sweeter. Now, banana is something which people will say, find excuses. Oh, it's winter time, I can't have it. I've got cold and fever, I can't have it. And we keep avoiding the poor banana every day, and we find some excuse, and there's some people who say that, we're going to put on some weight because of bananas. This is all myth. Banana is God's gift, because banana is grown throughout the year. When something is grown throughout the year, we shouldn't question nature. That means we need to have it throughout the year. There's no season for this. Seasonal fruits are coming, and we know that this is something which comes in winters and summers and spring and monsoon, and we know that. But banana is given by nature, and what's amazing part is that banana is there in pan wala shop, in every nukkad, in every lane. You walk one lane, you'll find banana in any store. So let's not avoid bananas, and let's not worry about that what will happen with bananas. Bananas will actually cure you. It will cure because it increases immunity, and it has everything that our body needs. So we need to add banana. Another thing which I remember about bananas is that, how one of my gardener, he was telling me I wanted a banana plant, and he says, ma'am, you need to have a lot of space around the banana tree. And I said, why? Because before this tree which we plant, it grows, and then when it has to die, it will grow a branch and by itself go and plant it. I was amazed by this when I heard it, and I'm like, why isn't such things taught to us? Why are the opposite taught to us, that banana mat khao, sardi aa gaya hai, or you'll become fat? Why are we taught all these things? And what analysis I feel is that when banana grows itself, that means it doesn't want us to stop eating, and nature takes care that, don't worry, I am going to be available. And it's a poor man's food, and everybody, all people, whether they are affluent, whether they can afford, they cannot afford, everybody can actually afford a banana. The second ingredient which I'm going to be using is, I'm using mint leaves, but we can use a lot of different kind of leaves. We can use palak, we can use amaranth leaves, dill leaves, basil leaves, pan ke patte. Yes, pan has a lot of iron, calcium. We can use pan ke patte. Any greens which you go to the market and see, okay, fine, we don't have to spend a lot of money buying kale. Kale is fantastic. Any dark greens are fantastic, but if it's not available, don't worry about it. Even our local ones has amazing properties. Today I'm using berries, but what you can do is you can use any fruits which you have in your fridge. Apple, chiku, papaya, kiwi, pear, any of these, pineapple, anything which is there in your house. You can use little of it. If you just see I've taken so much bananas and I've taken just half a cup of the berries. Berries are antioxidants. If you don't find the blueberries, what you can do is you can take amla. Amla is a gooseberry, local berry, which has amazing property. You can also use that. That I put every single day with fresh turmeric, and that actually helps to boost my immunity so I don't miss it. Now the thing is, how do we make it very exciting that our children or adults or old people in our family, our grandparents, look forward to it? Just add some dates or raisins or apricot. Just soak it overnight and use them. It will actually enhance the taste. And you know, raisins or dates, not everybody likes it and not everybody has it. It's the best way we can actually feed everybody. Now today I'm making it with cocoa powder because I want you to believe that cacao powder is very, very healthy and you can get it easily into the market, and it's super tasty. It's chocolatey. We don't have to put any chocolate. We can put just cacao powder. The next is the chia seeds or the sabja seeds. You can use any of them. Chia seeds are a little expensive. Sabja is local, reasonable. And how do we make our smoothie very, very cost effective? So because we want to have something every single day, right? So we're going to be taking half a glass of bananas. I like it ripe and frozen, some blueberries. Now 1 cup of mint leaves. This is the best way to actually make everybody have the greens. You can change the greens. I'm using mint because with berries and with the chocolate, mint goes very, very well. Now dates. Not everybody likes to eat dates, especially children don't like it. So this is how I actually add dry fruits into my smoothie with some cacao powder. Just take the natural one. I'm using the Mason Company one. That's amazing. I know it's really pure. Blend it and just see the consistency. I don't like it very, very thick. When I'm eating my smoothie, I like it thick. But when I want to drink the smoothie, I add a little more water to make it to the consistency that I can drink. So that's your choice, what you want to do. Now, just check it, mix it, and then pour it into the glass. Just remember that you're going to use no other seed other than chia seed. Chia seeds are water soluble and digest very, very fast, like exactly how the fruits will. So no other seeds please. And here our smoothie is ready. Cheers.